name of this street. I don't know. This is a busy one. So, well, let's quickly cross and see what we get. Asrama Banyuasri. Oh, Kodim. Okay, so military asrama. I have never walked down this street before. This is cool. Apple store. And what is this? Government building. Dinas Perhubungan. Dinas Perhubungan. Oh, my pronunciation is getting worse and worse. And what do we have over here? Oh, kind of like a little tech mall. Oh, cool. Didn't know about that. We've got phones. It says Apple. Apple what? Apple currency, Redmi. So a lot of tech stuff here. And restaurant up on top. So like a little mall, kind of. And, well, this will take us to Jalan Yani, if we go far enough. I'm not sure how far. Is this a hospital? SMK, Kesehatan. Noisy here. I don't know how much of the video. Hello.
Hello.
Don't know how much of the video people are going to be able to hear. Hey, there's a tag. Okay, do I want to go down that way or not? Let's take that way. Let's go down here and do the main street, because I haven't been on the main street. I haven't been on Yani this far west. And I've got to go back that way anyway, and so enough of the side streets for now. Let's do a big street. And what do we got here? We have a clothing store. And across the street, what is that? Lodge Chill? Restaurant, I'm guessing. And a car wash. And Western Union. Oh, okay. Didn't know that was here. Gotta get off the sidewalk for a minute. And so, coming up to a place I wanted to get to before. And there are all sorts of little streets shooting off here. Wow, so many places to explore. Okay, never heard of this one before. Hotel Grand Wijaya. Okay, small local hotel. And continue on. There is the... Hello! Huh? Halo. Dari mana? Dari ini?
Ya.
SMA? SMP.
Itu dari mana?
Dari sana, Kampung Bugis.
Oh, iya dekat.
Oh. Okay, this is a junior high school. Hello, girls. Hello. Okay, and there is the market that I was going to, when opened at the start of the year. And I was going to go there, and I never did. Not doing it today. Getting tired and want to start heading home. So this is SMP 2, so junior high school 2 in Singaraja. And we're getting to Jalan Yani. Wow, cool. Now I'm also looking for a store, a DIY store, which I read about when they opened, I don't know, last month, and I was going to come here and I never did. And so this is old Banyuasri. This is the big market here, and someday I will come here and do a video. But this used to be where you would get BMOs into the city. If you were coming in from, I used to come in from Antron in a BMO, you would get here and then you'd switch into a city BMO. And, well, I don't know how that works these days. So, trying to decide what to do here. There's the burger place I was telling my wife about that she couldn't find and said wasn't there, and it is right there. Burger Bangor. Okay, I'm not in the mood for a burger right now. I would have to carry it home. I don't want to eat it there. Okay, so, yeah, architecture-wise. So, up there you see on the second floor, right, there's living quarters up there. Some of them look kind of trashed. And at the bottom you have that, so Ruko, Ruma, House, Ruma, and Toko. Ruko. And what do we got there? Photo studio, contract for that. And, well, we're gonna walk our way down here. It is noisy, so I'll keep this closer to me so you can hear me, I hope. And I'm looking for the DIY shop. Hello. Hello. And, well, that kind of looks like an upscale clothing store. And sausage place. AC Lamari. What is that? There. Okay, that must be some kind of shops in there. I've never noticed before. Let's keep going. Okay, these sidewalks are a little dangerous. Oh, you can get your license plates made here, and there's a tailor, and what's this? insurance. Doctors down here. And Udayana, okay, so more military. 4 mil numar satu. What do we got left? Battery wise, 12%. And the card, 23%. So I brought an extra battery and an extra card with me. And what is this? Dinas Pertanian. Dinas Pertanian. Oh, okay. Wow, so there's government buildings everywhere and military down there. I still have not come across the DIY store. So, unless it was on the other side of the big market. Hey, watch where you're going. Jalan Cempaka. Okay, a lot of doctors there. Place to get your air, put your tires, and what is this? Apotec. Yani Medicare. Big impressive building. But okay, so mistake on my part. Hadn't focused on from yesterday and forgot to change it. Oh man, that's irritating. I don't know how bad that's gonna be. We'll have to see. And okay, we're almost out of battery. I'm looking for a shady place to stop and change batteries and SIM cards. And big, huge store for phones. Wow. And hello. And what do we got here? And we have more phone places. Oh, here is an old traditional place. Here is an old style house from the colonial architecture period. Wow. We're headed now back, and it's going to be noisy. So I'm putting this as close to me as possible. And we're walking down Jalan Yani, headed towards the east. And I'm going to get on the sidewalk because, wow, there's just so many vehicles. And there is an old-fashioned hotel called the Hotel Saka Bindu. Okay, let's keep going. Still did not find the DIY place, so it must be on the other side of the market. And, wow, I have not walked over here probably in 30 years. pretty cool. And what is this place? Motorcycles? What is it? Are those Kawasaki's? Pretty deep bite. I'm not sure what that place is. Motorcycle place. Okay, and available on Grab Food, Alpha Mart. Apple Mart. Not Alpha Mart. And children's specialist, Dr. Budiasa. And I've been to doctors over here before. Some doctor down here, and here's another street to explore. And let's cross without getting run over. Jalan Saruni. Hello. Hello. Hi. Apa kabar?
Ya, baik.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah. Okay. Samsung Service Center. Whoa, okay. Did not know about that. And the Bank BTN. Not one of my banks. And some empty stores and street signs. You know, when I first moved here, there are no street signs anywhere. I would just wander around looking for places. And look at this. Here is an abandoned building, some abandoned land, or I don't know who owns this. I bet there are a lot of snakes in here. Wow, cool. Look at that. That is worth some money, that land. And Ruco for sale. And what else we got here? Banyuwangi Motors. Okay, Notary. Bakso Kota Malang. Oh, there's Canado Bakery. Oh, and I'm gonna pass the bakery. Should I stop at the bakery? Oh, I would love to. They have such good stuff, but well, I'm not gonna really have any place to stick it in my backpack because I'm gonna fill it with bottles of vodka and tonic. And so we're gonna watch here because this guy wants to turn. And okay, and there's a vehicle over there. So Canado Bakery is there, and a studio there. BRE Cabang. Oh, that's the Elizabeth back to school sign that I saw before. Okay, so let's get over here because we're coming back into my